Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this air fried turkey wings, coconut rice and pepper sauce. And in here are the turkey wings I'm going to be using. I just use knife to section it a little bit so that my spices can penetrate in it. And these are my spices. I have onions powder, chicken spice and paprika powder, curry powder, hot chili pepper and salt, turmeric powder seasoning and negro pepper. And this negro pepper, if you don't know negro pepper, this is negro pepper. So I'm using the grounded one. So, and I'm adding thyme as well. You can use rosemary. You can use any spices of your choice. So now I'm going to put it all together with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to massage it all in my turkey wings. And I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours to marinate. And that is it. I just covered it up, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So now we're back again. That's my turkey wings. Now I'm going to put it in the air fryer plate and just put it inside. Regulate it in chicken for 40 minutes. And as that is busy, I'm going to be parboiling my rice. I'm using parboiled rice for this recipe. Just added water to it and put it on my stove and let it parboil before I wash it. And as that is busy, I'm going to be blending my onions, pepper, ginger and garlic. And just 2 tomatoes. I'm not using too much tomatoes for this recipe. I'm not blending, I'm going to be grating them. You can use knife to chop it. You can also blend them smooth. And I'm blending crayfish as well, and I'm using boneless burger and dry shrimps. So now my rice is parboiled already. I'm just wash it thoroughly. Now I'm pouring in my coconut milk and I'm adding coconut cream as well. This is completely optional. You don't have to use it, but I like using it because of that coconut flavor. I really like it. Now I just added a teaspoon of salt. Turn it together and just let it cook. Now I heat up palm oil, a little bit of palm oil, and I'm going to be frying my grated vegetable. I just poured in my onion, now the tomatoes and the garlic and ginger, what I grated together, and the pepper. And I'm going to fry this together for 10 minutes. And I'm blending my crayfish. It's completely optional. You can blend it all together. Because I'm using a small blender, that is why I did it apart. So I raised my blender and I pour it in. Then now I'm adding my dry shrimps to it and the boneless burger, little bit of curry powder and little bit of salt as well, not even a teaspoon, very little. 1 stock cube. Some people have problem with me the way I throw stock cube in my soup. You can see my stock cube is in paste form. See that? It's not dry solid powder stock cube like what you have in Nigeria. See, it even stains my finger. So yeah. And now my turkey wings are almost ready. 2 minutes to go. So you see, It looks so yummy. See, my sauce, my spicy sauce is ready. Everything is ready. Thanks for watching.